Hello students, I would like to enlighten you on the sun protective clothing, which is otherwise called as UV protective garments. If you see, the most hazardous things that happen in the environment is due to the natural environment around us. And the main reason is the dust, wind, pollution, and the microorganisms and the ultraviolet radiations. These can cause problems during the occupational, recreational, and routine activities. The solar rays that reaches the Earth's surface consist of infrared rays, visible rays, and ultraviolet rays. Ultraviolet rays are again classified into UVA, UVB, and UVC rays. UVA rays cause skin aging and wrinkling, and the UVB rays cause sunburns, cataracts, and damage the immune system. UVC rays are the most dangerous and are absorbed by the ozone layer and does not reach the Earth's surface due to the depletion of the ozone layer. By continued atmospheric pollution, which are caused by the industries, the rays are not blocked. Hence, it is important to protect the human being from excessive exposure to UV radiation. For many years, people around the world have relied on sunscreen alone as a primary source of sun protection. But the main disadvantage is that it has to be reapplied after every 3 hours because it wears off with sweating. And the terms ultraviolet protection factor, which is termed as UPF, is the main factor which is used to grade the garments. And the SPF, which is called as the sun protection factor, which measures the effectiveness of sunscreen. The fabric samples are graded as per the standards given in the table according to AATC standard method. Textiles are intrinsically suited for use as UV protection, as they are able to offer good protection against the radiation of the sun if suitable materials and protections are used along with UV finish. Many garment manufacturers are producing the sun protective clothing or UV finished garments as shown here. In future, UV finish will become a compulsory finish that has to be given for all garments. Educational efforts are necessary to create awareness among people for the use of sun protective clothing and the preventive measures to be followed. Next time when you go out in sun, please do follow the tips to have fun in sun. So if you remember that yesterday's sun can turn into tomorrow's skin cancer. Hence, you and we should consider UV seriously. Thank you.